Debuting the 2019 AIA Pennsylvania Architectural Excellence and Special Awards. This celebration of architectural excellence throughout the Commonwealth is made possible by our generous sponsors and partners. Thank you to our preferred partners. Fenner and Essler, provider of insurance and risk management for architects and engineers. Milburn Macris, providing a wide range of legal services tailored to design professionals with offices in Berwyn, Pennsylvania. Offit Kerman, construction law experts specializing in solving professional practice and business challenges for architects and engineers. Office locations in Harrisburg, Philadelphia, and Plymouth Meeting. Summit Technology, AEC Cloud Computing and Technology Solutions. Providence Engineering provides design and analysis services to the building design and construction industry. Thank you to this evening's sponsors. Langen, Sheets, Burt Cromer Cremonese, John Canning Company, Jaros Baum and Bowles, Acoustic Distinctions. Earlier this fall, 3 esteemed jurors from across the country convened at the Cooper Union in New York City's East Village. The internationally renowned all-honors college, comprised of 3 schools specializing in architecture, art, and engineering, was the ideal backdrop for a full day of jurying the 137 project submissions. 2019's honorees exhibited distinguished design in the categories of architecture, historic preservation, interior architecture, regional and urban design, unbuilt projects, impact design, and the newest category for 2019, single-family residential design.
Awards juries are really important. They, in some ways, validate what you do. There's nothing better than to have recognition from your peers.
I think it's very important to have your work evaluated by your peers. I think is important. People who know the discipline well and can evaluate what's working and what's not working.
The way that we look at our buildings and our projects very much is unique to who we are. So this is an opportunity here to show your best work, but to show your work in the best light.
We're setting benchmarks for the profession and the discipline through the awards programs. It raises the bar when you have a thoroughly vetted design jury selecting awards. It raises the bar within the profession discipline of what is considered, quality work.
The people at the highest level really seek out the best in the profession, and by getting the awards, it really puts you at another level for, the kinds of projects that you may be doing in the future.
I think it's important that all architects have aspirations beyond the individual project, that we not only want to solve problems for our clients, but we want to set an example for our community as well.
Bronze awards may be granted at the jury's discretion to projects that exemplify the highest excellence in design in any category. The jury selected 6 projects for Bronze Award honors this year. In the category of interior architecture, we present Bostwick Design Partnership with a Bronze Award for the Recital Hall.
Yeah, the Penn State Recital Hall was a really interesting project for us. It took us a little bit by surprise. Normally a theater project, you're used to seeing this dark space, and this was really the inverse of that. It was a beautifully well-lit, light-filled space. The wood was really light. It just felt like a wonderful place to be, and it was really unusual for a performance space. But then, when we looked through the other images, it worked equally well as in the evening. So it was really just a tremendously beautiful interior. It felt like, a great place to be.
absolutely. Beautifully detailed, I might add, almost Scandinavian
Yeah.
in its presence, in the way in which I think is conceived and executed, which is a compliment, of course. But I think beautiful, and I also think the idea of the curtain wall system, inscribes a kind of exteriority on the interiority of this, with this taut glass. I think the whole idea of the transparency indoor-outdoor relationships is, again, as you stated, unexpected.
Yeah.
I think also in the interior, the fragmentation of the different blocks of seating still holds together.
Yes.
So the room itself feels like it has an intimacy. You're in your own little sort of bank
Great
of
scale,
things,
and a
great
big
scale,
space, yeah.
and yet it all holds together as one place,
Yes.
which is very nice.
Yeah. Excellent.
Congratulations, Bostwick Design Partnership.